crafty Vlogmas project time. Let's find out what we're going to make today. Shall I do some ASMR on this? Okay. Today we're going to be making a tangerine garland. This doesn't mean we're going to string tangerines up along a piece of string. This means we're going to use the skin of the tangerine to make a garland, and then I'm going to eat them afterwards. So off we go to the fruit shop to buy a bag of tangerines. Yes. Lots of persimmons in stock at the moment, all over there too. So many. And these ones are $4.99 a bag. So, quite big ones. I think I'm going to go for the 10. Oh, strawberries. So these ones are 10 mecans for $3.50. Confession time. There were 10 of these. There are only 5 left. My family ate a bunch, but I made them keep the skins and I put them in the fridge so we can use them today. Oh, it smells divine. So there's skins of 5 here, and I'm going to peel some of these and I'll use the fruit for something in a little while. So no need for anything to be sanitary now because it's going to be a craft. So we're going to use these tangerines as we're going to cut some shapes and just hope I can get through. Yes. And then my idea is that this will smell beautiful in the studio. Do you see? I'm going to string them onto the garland. I've got some smaller ones for the smaller areas. There we go. I'm going to string them onto a garland in a minute. So gorgeous. I wish you could smell. We're into mikan season, tangerine season in Japan. So this is the cheapest fruit around at the moment. 10 Mekans for 350 yen is super duper cheap for us. Maybe the rest of the world it's very expensive, but you know. I think these are too small. Oh, maybe not. Oh, it smells so good. It just smells so good. The end of the cutting, and I've got so many lovely circles. I'm going to start stringing them to make a little garland. How cute and how yummy. It smells divine. Okay, I grabbed the first thread that I could find, which is some sashiko thread, and it's red, so it should be quite Christmassy. It feels quite thin though, so I don't know, it might be too thin. It's okay, let's just see if it works. And I'm not going to do a pattern because I don't think I have equal numbers. Just gonna randomly. Oh, I can't tell you, the smell is divine in here. I mean, this is the most random work I think I've ever done. Look how cute. This is going to look so cute when it dries. I wish I had a star cutter, but I don't. I couldn't find one at Daiso. And I'm not about to go and buy a fancy one. Just for one little project. So this is what we're getting. We're getting circles this year. If my kids are into it, we might make some of these together for our Christmas tree at home. We'll see. Feeling very Christmassy. All I need now is a smell of cloves and I'm away. And a mince pie, that would be nice. Maybe I'll go and get some from the shop. Should I go and get some? Oh, that would be nice. Mince pies and a cup of tea. Very British. Right, there we go. That's the first one done. It's so fast. And once these are a little bit dry, I can move them around a little bit. I'm going to do another one. It's going to be a bit shorter, this one. Okay, all done. That was super quick. All I want to do is just hang this up, let this dry for a couple of days, and then I'll move it along and maybe put a little dab of glue to stop them from moving. I don't know if I'm going to need to or if the holes will just seal up, but there we go. Really cute.